What's up, friend? Welcome back to CapCut's YouTube channel. My name's Bria, and today we are talking all about captions. Captions are so important on TikTok, Instagram, pretty much any social media platform because they help make sure that your content is accessible to as many people as possible. But they're also a really good tool for viewer retention. That is, keeping your audience watching your videos for longer. CapCut makes adding captions super easy, and I will definitely show you how to do that. But the main point of this video is really to show you some tips and tricks to help keep your videos accessible to as many people as possible while also keeping your audience really engaged. These adjustments have been a game changer for my content and for other content creators too, so I know that they will work out for you as well. But before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel and comment your TikTok down below so that I can go check it out. I want to see your content. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. I'm starting out just opening my CapCut app like any other day and tapping on the captions button at the top. From there, I'm finding the video that I want in my camera roll. Please do not judge me for the videos that are in my camera roll. You're a content creator, you get it. Once I pick my video, I'm gonna tap the add button on the bottom right. I'm gonna keep my sound source as from video, and we're not gonna use any templates on these for now. Tap start and CapCut will auto-generate your captions for you. Once it's done, you're gonna see your video on the same timeline as your captions. And if you close out of the app, come back and don't see your captions on the timeline, don't even trip. All you have to do is tap the text button and they will pop right back up. The first thing that I wanna do with my captions is move them closer to the center of the frame. All I'm doing is ensuring that my captions aren't gonna get covered up by my username, any buttons, location, effects, anything like that. And also it puts the words front and center in front of my viewer. Obviously, I'm just not covering up my face or anything like that. I'm also gonna make the text smaller, but that's just personal preference. You can make these little changes by tapping on the text in your timeline and then adjusting it in your video preview. You can drag it up and down, you can pinch it bigger, pinch it smaller, whatever your preference. The awesome part about CapCut is that they automatically move your captions and adjust the size for all of them, so you don't have to go through each individual one and adjust it and move it around to make sure they match. I love that for us. CapCut also has a variety of fonts and effects. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna make sure that my text is as legible as possible by adding a little outline. And once again, this applies to all my captions. Love it. Okay, now here's the part that's gonna help your viewer retention. See how the same sentence or phrase is on the screen for a few seconds? Some of my captions are even 2 lines. Gasp. And this is fine. My captions are doing what they're supposed to be doing. They're making my video accessible to more people. But are they contributing to the entertainment factor, to the retention factor? Not really. My goal is to make these captions move faster so that the viewer is under the impression that my video is moving faster. Especially since this is just a video of me sitting down on my bed talking, there's not a lot visually going on. I just want to make sure that my audience is captivated and entertained and sticks around till the end. And if the video feels quicker, the viewer is less likely to get bored and scroll away. Luckily for my CapCut Pro users out there, CapCut has already clocked this. And if you click on your caption and go into the templates tab, there's a template there that makes your captions show up word by word. It's amazing. Check out how much faster my video moves when the captions are showing up word for word instead of multiple lines that are staying there for seconds at a time. Even though nothing crazy is happening visually, the captions are moving. It's holding your attention, you're into it. So if you've already joined CapCut Pro, your work here is done, go ahead and export. But if you haven't, I'm gonna show you another way to speed up your captions and keep your viewers' attention. You can, of course, manually adjust your captions to coincide with that template, but that is tedious and that's gonna take you forever. And we don't have forever, we're booked, we're busy, we're doing things. Instead, I suggest just breaking up your captions into single lines. It has a very similar effect and can definitely get the job done. To do this, I'm just scrolling through my timeline and finding my captions that are 2 lines long. And didn't take me long because my first caption is 2 lines. First, I'm gonna tap into my caption and then I'm gonna tap that duplicate button. It's on the lower left. It's like those 2 squares overlapping. So now in my timeline, I have the same caption twice, right on top of each other. So I'm gonna tap into that top one, tap the pencil on the upper right and remove the second line. I can tap the check mark and go back to the timeline, and then I'm gonna go to that duplicate and remove the first line. So now we have a mishmash of both of the captions on top of each other here. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. I just need to adjust their placement so that they're aligned with when I actually say those words. So I just play the video, and when I'm finished saying that first line, I pause it, and then I just drag that right side of the caption to match that moment in the timeline. From there, I can easily adjust that second line to pick up where the first line left off and to end before the next part of my captions. I can even move it up to the same line as the rest of my captions just to keep everything neat and tidy. And then just repeat that process with the rest of your captions that are 2 lines. It only takes you a couple minutes and then you'll be ready to export. So in summary, we are moving our captions as close to the center as possible without covering anything pertinent, just to make sure that they're not covered up by any captions, buttons, locations, and that they're front and center in front of our viewer. We're also outlining them to make them more legible so that people don't see your video and see this baked in text that they can't read and just scroll away immediately. And then we are quickening the pace of our captions, either by selecting that pro template that makes them go word for word, or by duplicating the ones that are 2 lines and just breaking them up. This way they are only 1 line and they stay on the screen for a very limited amount of time. These adjustments can be the difference between someone watching your video all the way to the end or seeing your video pop up, get bored, and scroll on. And I really hope that you implement them and see a positive difference in your content. Comment down below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or if you need help problem solving any other issues that you're having with your content. We're here to help. I can make more of these. And we'll see you in our next one. Go out there and create some cool videos.